2 not launching PC and PS5. On PC, Steam verify game files. Steam library, right-click Helldivers 2 properties, installed files, verify integrity. Non-let run as admin plus disable overlays. Right-click game properties, compatibility, run as administrator. Disable Steam overlay, Discord overlay, and GeForce Experience overlay. Update drivers. Update GPU drivers, NVIDIA AMD. Update DirectX plus Visual C++ redistributables. Disable antivirus firewall, sometimes blocks Easy Anti-Cheat. Reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat. Go to game folder, Easy Anti-Cheat, repair service. On PS5, restart console and router. Check for system software update plus game update. Reinstall game if corrupted. Number 2, fix Helldivers 2 network errors, 503, 502, connection lost. Check server status, Helldivers servers are often overloaded. Confirm via official channels. Switch region, change DNS region, PC Steam launch option, region equals US, PS5, change DNS to EU, US servers. Flush DNS, PC, you can see the code in our conversation history. Use alternate DNS, Google 8.88.8, 8.8.44, Cloudflare 111.111.11, and set MTU equals 73. PS5 PC manual network settings improves packet stability. QoS router prioritize Helldivers traffic. 3. Fix Helldivers 2 crashing in-game startup. Lower graphics settings, turn off motion blur, ray tracing, set textures to medium. Disable full screen optimizations PC, right-click game exe, properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimizations. Close background apps, especially MSI Afterburner, OBS, Discord overlay. Check RAM OC stability, remove overclocking, GPU, CPU. Clean boot PC, msconfig, hide Microsoft services, disable all. Number 4, last resort solutions. Reinstall the game if persistent crashes. Use Windows 11.10 fresh gaming drivers, NVIDIA Studio drivers sometimes cause crashes. If nothing works, wait for a patch, since a lot of these are server-side issues. These steps will fix Helldivers 2 not launching, crashing, and network error issues on both PC and PS5.